Caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Hello students, welcome to my channel Professional English. I'm Dr. NM Shah from GL Bajaj Group of Institutions, Mathura. Today I will discuss with you on business communication. As you know, technical English is essential for technocrats such as doctors, scientists, engineers. They require technical expertise and also good writing. It is an art of explain technical subjects, so it should be accurate and precise. Technical writers include manuals, online help, instructions, reports, proposals, and various forms of letters. Technical writers collect information from technical experts, organize the data, and use them writing to convey information effectively to the readers. Now, the forms of business communication. There are various modes of formal written communication. These forms are used in daily communication activities of any organization, such as memos, means memoranda, letters, email, reports, manuals, bulletins, etc. Effective letter writing require a strong command over English language and knowledge of various popular formats and good choice of words. Any document has to be assigned with respect to target audience. So whatever you are writing, it should be related to your audience. Whatever you are writing, you target the audience. It is essential to precise and concise. Formats of written correspondence. This is set format for email, memos, and letters. A memo consists of a to, from, and date, which means inter-office communication. It can be easier to communicate to the people which are in our office. It also gives quick action plan. Memos can be as short as 2 lines. The length of email should not exceed and fit one screen. But letters are more formal than email and memos. A letter is generally addressed to one person, while memos address a group of individuals. First, I am discussing here letters are more formal than others. So, what are the formats of letter writing? There are 4 formats of letter writing. What are? Number 1, full block format. Number 2, semi-block format. Number 3, simplified format. Or number 4, modified format. Students, in 4 formats, which is modern techniques of format, or we can say we are using in modern times and the present days, and it is full block format. So this is the structure of a business letter. The structure of business letter is official letter dealing with subjects like credit, inquiry, order, quotation, complaints, and apology. So you will see the sample of block format. The first is sender's address. Sender's address, which is given, you can see Sunshine Electronics, Mathura 281001. Next step is date, and you can write date May 5 2020 means May 5 2020. Next step is inside address. Inside address, just like for example, the sales manager SCL Info System Limited, Noida 20301. Next, you will mention salutation, just like dear sir, dear ma'am, by name dear Sharma, dear Agrawal, you can write. Next step is body, that you want to convey the message to the people. It is called a body. So how will you write your body? Just you want to purchase some computer from the company, then you will write, I would like to draw your attention to the delivery of 50 computers sent us as per our order number 5798. After checking the consignment, 5 of computers are not working well. I am sending these defective computers along with this letter. You are requested to find them and take necessary action to rectify this mistake. An early reply will be highly solicited. This is the body part. This is body. Next step is complimentary close. How will you close your letter? It is called complimentary close. Yours sincerely, your faithfully, your affectionately. It is called complimentary close. Next, you will write your name with signature. So next part is signature, just like Rohit Shah, and you will write your post, purchase manager, sales manager, whatever. So this is the format of full block format. It is a modern techniques of letter writing, and you can write various types of letters. So please, you subscribe my channel, you share my channel if you feel it is for you, and send to the other students which is useful to them.